unboxing my Nuwave Induction Cookware. I've had this, it's been on the shelf, never used it. Now that we're going mobile, I'm going to be living in a hotel room. Bam, there it is. Alright, recycle. We're going to leave it in here so we don't destroy it. Instructional cookbook. We'll keep the cookbook. Quick start guide. We'll leave that. Registration. I'll leave all this stuff here. Don't need it. And we'll keep the box because we'll be going traveling. I guess we'll do an instructional. But if you're wondering how it works, there's your quick start guide. We got to figure out. Look through here. It's my. See what they set everything at. You know what we need? We're going to need light, just in case there's bad lighting in the hotel. Bam! Now we go. Oh, there we go. Now we can see it even better. Got to remember that. That'll go with the tape. And that's my unboxing for my Nuwave. I'm packing within a half hour, so bear with me. And we're doing an unboxing in between.